Hi, welcome. I'm Dae. This is Daylight Healing Oracle, and this is a message from the crows for you. You may have been seeing crows a lot. You may have been seeing all sorts of birds a lot. You may have been seeing 3 crows in a circle, specifically. What is the energy of the reading that wants to come through here? Let's see. Okay. Queen of Swords, the Hanged Man, the Empress, Nine of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, and Ace of Cups at the bottom of the deck. Okay, the crows have something to say. You see the future. You have gone within. You had a vision. It came through very clearly. And you've gone within and looked for that enlightenment around this vision. That has to do with your ultimate wish fulfillment, your ultimate desires. Emotionally the wish comes through. Emotionally the wish comes true. Physically the wish comes true in a way where you are so abundant, and you feel this here. And this is your true love wish on the bottom of this deck. This is feeling great as yourself, independently, emotionally regulated, knowing that this comes through with this determination to follow that vision, to continually visualize. The crows come through to bring you reminders that this path here is unfolding for you. Your dreams are manifesting. You have 2 wish come true cards here. The Empress right in the middle of this reading, and the Ace of Cups on the bottom of the deck. Starting out here with the Queen of Swords and the Hanged Man, where I just keep seeing this decision to look at the world a different way. The decision that you made to look at the world a different way, to meditate, to work on your subconscious mind, to create a relationship with your subconscious mind, whatever it is, you have been able to embody this energy. And this embodiment of the energy that you are in is what is bringing you your ultimate wish fulfillment. The ultimate wish fulfillment of your emotions, of your emotional validation, and also of the physical resources and your physical validation of being able to sustain this. Ace of Cups and the Tower right underneath that, and the High Priestess and the 7 of Pentacles. Okay, we're going to pull this out. We're going to pull out these other cards here because I feel like this is part of this story. Ace of Cups, High Priestess, 7 of Pentacles. To follow this dream and follow your heart in this, it was a big tower moment. And that high priestess within you, your intuition told you to do it, and you've been waiting for a while. You had to walk away from things that did not serve you and really tend to that inner garden. Almost as if the realization that you could have been loving yourself and knowing what you deserve all this time kind of created this tower moment of like, wow, this is how life can be. Damn. Hey, I get it. Ace of Cups, give yourself that cup to drink out of. Giving yourself that cup to drink out of has been the best thing that you have done for yourself. Taking this time to look at the world in new ways, this is bringing about the manifestation, the culmination of your vision.